Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications, expand the list, and in here you will find somewhere on one of the pages a toggle for screen recording. So it looks like it's right here on the second page, right in the corner. So once you locate it, you can simply tap on it. This will give you a couple options: record, settings, and close. Now let's quickly go into the settings, select more settings, and in here we have basically all the settings for the screen recording. Now, one thing that I would probably recommend changing is the screen recording quality, but it actually looks like it is already set to be pretty good. Actually, never mind, we are set to default. What is it set to? Okay, so we have high definition now. Okay, so there's a check mark which was just behind this panel. So yeah, I would probably recommend changing it to high definition. You can also change it to super definition, though the benefit over these two is not that noticeable, but going from the standard to high will be actually noticeable. So I'd recommend at least going with the high one. And honestly, that's probably the only thing that I recommend changing, apart from maybe your personal preference for sound recording. So you have the system sound, microphone, or none. Choose whichever you want to utilize at the moment. And from there, once you're ready to record, simply click on that circle. And once you're done, you can just click on that red circle again, and this will save the recording. Now, I wasn't talking throughout it just because it records what was recording, I believe, microphone, and I just didn't want to hear myself. But anyway, once you have saved the video recording or stopped it, it gets automatically saved to our, there we go, gallery application. And you can see it right over here. So you can see that's the video recording. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.